Alright, welcome to module number 11, where we're going to be setting up Swift Performance plugin. This is a plugin that is going to improve your website's performance by minifying all the code, making it smaller. It's going to be adding some browser cache to load your pages faster, and a whole bunch of other tools. So let's begin. First thing we want to do, again, is head over to Plugins, Add New, and then we're going to search for Swift. You'll see one pop up, Swift Performance Lite, that's the one. Click Install Now, and then we'll activate it. And it'll bring up our wizard. Click Auto Config, and then hit Start. It's going to go through your server and kind of automatically detect. Okay, click Next. Go ahead and click Swift Performance Lite Settings. And then we're going to go down to caching. Make sure that it's on. And then we're going to go down to CDN and click Cloudflare and enable Auto Purge. So what we're going to do is put in our Cloudflare email address. And then we're gonna go grab our Cloudflare API key. So we'll bring up that window again, click on Profile, scroll down to the bottom, click View on the global API key. We'll put in our password. And then we'll copy that. We can close that now. And we'll paste our API key in there, and we'll hit Save Changes. That is complete now. We can now head over to the dashboard, and you'll see we can start pre-building our cache. So what that does is it automatically goes through all of your pages and saves them into a folder so that when people visit your website, they're going to view the pages that are already stored and that your site doesn't have to reload them every single time, which makes your website load much faster. All right, that's it.